In today's debate spotlight, we delve into a topic that is pervasive yet polarizing: balancing gun rights and safety in the state of North Carolina. This is a conversation that echoes across America, touching on fundamental issues of freedom, safety, and the role of government. North Carolina, known for its diverse landscapes and rich history, is also a battleground for the gun rights debate. The state has a unique position as a blend of traditional Southern values and progressive urban centers. This mix fuels a dynamic discourse on gun legislation, reflecting both a respect for the Second Amendment and an increasing demand for public safety measures. At the core of the debate are two intertwined rights: the right to bear arms, as enshrined in the Second Amendment of the United States Constitution, and the right to life and security. Advocates for gun rights argue that owning firearms is a vital part of American heritage, a safeguard against tyranny, and a crucial aspect of personal security. In rural areas, in particular, firearms are seen as indispensable tools for hunting and protection. However, with increasing concerns over gun violence, particularly in urban settings, there is a growing call for sensible gun control measures. Supporters of stricter regulations argue that they are not an attack on constitutional rights, but rather a necessity to ensure public safety. They emphasize background checks, limits on the acquisition of military-style weapons, and the need for red flag laws as means to prevent firearms from falling into the wrong hands. In North Carolina, the legislative efforts to find this balance have been contentious. The state has enacted laws aiming to secure gun ownership rights, such as permitting open carry of firearms and extending concealed carry privileges. Yet, in the wake of national tragedies, there have been pushes for tighter controls, especially regarding comprehensive background checks and gun safety training. This legislative push and pull reflect the dual need to uphold individual rights while addressing public safety concerns. It's a delicate act of balance, navigating between respecting civil liberties and implementing protective measures to diminish gun-related incidents. A critical factor in this debate is public opinion. Recent surveys in North Carolina show a complex picture. A majority supports background checks and more rigorous enforcement of current laws, yet there remains strong opposition to imposing what many see as excessive restrictions. This illustrates the state's struggle, mirroring the national conversation, to reach a consensus that respects both individual freedoms and community safety. As we conclude today's spotlight, we are reminded that finding common ground in the gun rights debate is not solely a matter of policy, but also one of dialogue and understanding. The discussion in North Carolina serves as a microcosm of a larger, ongoing national conversation, reflecting the intricate balance between preserving the rights of individuals and protecting the collective well-being of society. While there may not be an immediate resolution in sight, the hope lies in continued respectful discourse, one that strives for a harmonious balance, ensuring both freedom and safety for all.